Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the SMI Ergodic indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SMI Ergodic indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everybody to see. So to date, we have tested 41 indicators. And out of those 41 indicators, 13 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 13 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the market now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those 13 indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so the SMI Ergodic indicator. Basically, it is a two-line cross indicator. And like all two-line cross indicators, when the faster of the two lines cross either below or above, that is a signal to go either short or long. And this one is no different. When the light blue line crosses down below the orange line, it is a signal to go short, and when it crosses up above, it is a signal to go long. Pretty simple, right? Alright, so that's how we are going to test the indicator today. Let's get started with the testing, see what we will be able to get out of this indicator. So there is the first signal right there across to the upside, which would be a long signal. And it was a successful signal, so that one would have been a winner. Let's keep on moving along here. Looks like it gave us a short signal, but then turned around and gave us a long signal just to go short again. So unfortunately, that would be a loss, and a winner. So it looks like we are evenly matched at this point. We'll keep trucking along here. Looks like we have another long signal and another winner. So the wins are picking up steam here. We're a little over midway through the year at this point, and it does appear as though the SMI is a bit of an overtrader. And if you've watched all of my videos and have been following me for a while, you know that that is not a great predictor for an indicator. Overtrading often leads to an indicator that fails to meet our standard. But I am hopeful that one day, and it might be this one, I'm not sure yet, can't count it out. I'm hopeful that one day we will find an indicator that gives us a bunch of signals and can do it with high accuracy. That would be great. That would be a great thing. So often the problem that we will run into is that an indicator gives us great signals, very, very high win rate, but very few signals. And unfortunately, that just doesn't cut it. We have to have a reasonable amount of trades within a 1 year's time to make it worth us trading. And this is often where a lot of people fall into the trap of going down into lower time frames. They think to themselves, well, if I need more trading signals, and this is a highly accurate indicator, then if I go down a few time frames, I'll get more signals and high accuracy. But often what you find is that the lower you go down in the time frame is the less accurate that indicator becomes, until you get to the point to where you have basically taken a highly accurate indicator and made it an average accuracy indicator because you've dropped time frames and you don't get that many more trading signals, and so it basically balances itself out, where you could have used a okay indicator on a daily time frame and gotten the same results. We are almost to the end of the year now, and I have to admit, I'm getting kind of hopeful. All right, there's the end of the year now. And yeah, it's a little bit of an overtrader. Got quite a few signals, but it seemed to have been knocking out a lot of winning signals. So let's jump in and add these up here real quick. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So we have 37 trades, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Man, just shy of the 60% marker. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I thought maybe we would have found our first over trading indicator that gave us a lot of accuracy. That would have been super cool to get one of those. But as you can see, once again, the more and more and more that the indicator tells you to trade often means that it is not going to meet a reasonable criteria as far as the win-loss ratio. So yeah, another indicator down. It is going on the no list, and we will move on to the next one. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out, so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.